Welcome back to WJCL 22 Morning News. Thanks for waking up with us. Friday morning is here just in time for the weekend. Some cooler air is on the way. I know a lot of people are ready for a nice little taste of fall coming up, especially by the end of the weekend. Looking live from Homewood Suites on the river. This is in downtown Savannah, back toward the Talmadge, and also we're seeing the ports off in the distance. A nice start this morning. No problems with that morning commute. I'll detail today's forecast, but first let's track the tropics. One area we're tracking very closely. This is just off to the east of Florida. You can see the area right here that may develop late today or tomorrow, but the chances of it developing is going to be, the window will be closing pretty quickly as we go into Sunday because upper level winds become unfavorable for tropical development. It should move north and drift back to the west this weekend, bringing some rains across Florida. No matter what, if it develops or not, one thing it's going to do for our area is going to produce gusty winds on Saturday late and then especially throughout the daytime on Sunday with that low just off the Florida coast and then a high pressure system to the north of us. And you can see about a 40% chance for tropical development. Two other areas are about to close the books on Maria and Lee. Maria, a tropical storm with winds of 60 miles per hour, is beginning to race now quickly off to the east at 21 miles per hour. And Lee is still a hurricane with winds of 75 and probably becoming a non-tropical system probably by the upcoming weekend as it moves across much cooler water. And temperature outside 70 in Baxley, 75 from Glenville to Hinesville. Also for Savannah, Beaufort coming in at 76 and 77 in Hilton Head. Here's the forecast taking you through the day. We'll start the morning out with sunshine, but later this afternoon as a cold front approaches, there will be increasing clouds. Also chances for some showers and thunderstorms. We'll be tracking closely with this hot temperatures that we'll see this afternoon near 92. Some of those storms could be strong with some gusty winds as well as some heavy downpours all the way into the first part of the evening, which means for the evening of those high school football games tonight, may need that umbrella. Shower storm will be out there just about the time for that kickoff. 84 degrees will be the temperature. Of course, quite muggy outside throughout the evening as that front pushes through. All the highlights and scores right here on WJCL 22 News tonight at 11 for the Frenzy. And they're making plans for the weekend, and look at that cooler temperatures. How about 76 degrees on Sunday? That's going to feel really nice after the mid-90s we had yesterday. Shower or two possible along the coast on Saturday and then becoming quite breezy on Sunday with some gusty northeast winds. Live radar is showing everyone nice and dry this morning. Not seeing a big problem whatsoever, but as a front well back off to our west, actually just north of us near Atlanta as it begins to move in later today with that heat and humidity. Do expect to see those clouds to roll into our area. Mostly sunny first thing this morning into the afternoon, feeling like summertime and lower 90s for highs today. And there's those storms that will be developing later today after 2 or 3 o'clock. And some of those dark red areas and yellow may produce some heavy downpours and some gusty winds later into the afternoon. 7-day forecast is shaping up like this. Tomorrow, it's 82 degrees, 76 on Sunday. Kind of blustery along the coast. And also another thing, during times of high tide on Sunday, may have a little shallow coastal flooding will be possible right along the immediate coast. And then for Monday into about Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, chance for a shower or two. And temperatures still remaining very pleasant throughout a good part of next week with daytime highs will be in the 80s.